Now let's use the create-react-app package to create a new React application. So here in terminal, let's run create-react-app and give you a new application name. Let's call it react-app. Let's enter. Now this is going to install React as well as all the third-party libraries we need. So it's going to install lightweight development server, Webpack for bundling our files, Bable for compiling our JavaScript code, as well as bunch of other tools. So when you create an application using Create React App, you don't have to do any configuration. All the configuration is done for you. Let's back to the installation. Installation completed. Let's go to React-app. cd space React-app. Okay. Then npm start. Start. This will launch development server and port 3000 and open up Chrome or default browser pointing localhost port 3000. Okay.